Welcome back to Pete's Investing Updates. We review the weekly progress of a random sample of blue chip stocks from Australia, the US and Europe. And if you want me to review a share price, put it in the comments below and I'll cover it in a future video. As always, click on the subscribe button and like this video to support the channel. And this week's we're looking at some balanced results across our share portfolio. Let's first look at our playlists. And here, this is where we review our blue chip shares in this playlist. We also review a weekly set of indices, and this is where you can find the strategies we follow for further reference. And in those strategies, we've got simple trading strategies, what type of shares to choose from, the average down process, and money management ideas. Let's first of all go into our first share price or stock chart. And just want to emphasize here, the charts shown are approximately 17-month horizon in a 15-minute time frame. So again, going back about 17 months on average. Remember, the data is analysed in a snapshot of 17 months with the latest week added here, and the oldest week of data or price data has been lost over here. That is, the results are not cumulative. Okay, first let's look at the CBA, which we've got here. And again, the weeks are separated by these vertical lines. You can see here, price continued to rise for the week, breaking above the key resistance area, this line here, and positions remain unchanged since we opened, although the CCI is turning down, so possibly closing out the position if it remains at a profitable level. We'll keep an eye on that in the coming weeks. BHP. Position closed lower for the week, bouncing off this support line. But hasn't really made much of a change from when it first opened here. It slightly rose, but then it declined back to the support line. So not much action happening there on BHP. For Volkswagen, the price declined after open below the MA 200, this pink line, which shows a decline for the MA moving average 200. So yeah, not much movement there. Then it recovered back above the MA 200, closing out for the week. So that's a positive, and it may adjust its direction from there. As you can see there, it's been in a decline for a number of weeks now, as per the moving average 200. And we've added at least once to our position here. Telefonica. The position closed early on Monday, and that returned to us since it opened back here after a few weeks. It returned a €78 return on our profits. Then it reopened again back here on Thursday after our CCI broke above the zero line, as per our trading rules. Next we look at JPMorgan. Similarly, the price declined and broke below the moving average 200. You can see the moving average 200 is still going upwards. And then the price broke above the MA 200 again and closed about even for the week from where it opened. So not much change there for the for JPMorgan. For Johnson & Johnson, similar price action. It declined early on in the week. Its position closed here on Wednesday. That returned about $29 from when it first opened back here a number of weeks ago. So not a huge return, but still nonetheless a nice little return, better than nothing. And then it opened up again here on Friday. And the price has been closing out about even on this support line or resistance line. And Caterpillar. Position closed here on Wednesday, and that returned $62 after being held for a number of weeks there. It went sideways here, then it appreciated and it closed out there. And the position reopened again on Friday, and price remained steady for the week. So again, it didn't do much beyond this support line. So let's look at our returns table. You can see here where each of the trades we're making, the dividend yields and when they're expected to be ex-dividend or when they've actually become ex-dividend. the profitability return for the buy and sell strategy. And again, the buy and sell strategy is this top profitability line versus the buy and hold strategy, which is this second line here. So overall, the profitability for the buy and sell is 69.80 for the 17 months. That's returned 50% on our returns versus 51.46 for the same shares, which are $37% return. And on that buy and sell strategy, that works out to be at $426 per month return on average over the 17-month period. So again, if you want me to review any particular shares of any other stocks, blue chip stocks, put them in the comments. Click on the subscribe button and like this video, and we'll speak to you in next week's review. Thanks for watching.